Hello there, this is Richard Cromwell, Senior Additive Manufacturing Applications Engineer for GoEngineer. In this short video, I will discuss the capabilities and limitations of Pantone color matching on the Stratasys J55 Prime. Proper file preparation, printing material usage, color selection, and assignment are required for best results when printing Pantone colors. Pantone colors have been tested and validated for parts printed as follows: a flat glossy surface, a 0.5 millimeter thick color over a 1 millimeter thick core of Vero Ultra White or Vero Ultra Black. Other geometries and thicknesses might result in color difference. To ensure the best results in color accuracy, Pantone colors must be assigned to the part in GrabCAD Print and not using other software. It is recommended to use the Pantone PMS color guides for color-coded and skin tone to identify the color you wish to print. To apply Pantone color to a solid body, first select the part to which you would like to apply the color to. Now we go to the Model Settings and select Pantone for the Model Material dropdown. This will give us access to two different Pantone color ranges, Pantone Solid Coated and Pantone Skin Tone. If we are not happy with the color match, or if our desired Pantone color falls outside those offered in the two libraries provided, we can use the color matching capabilities of the J55 to help. Color matching is the process of transferring a specific color across different technologies and platforms. To ensure the colors you wish to print match to your satisfaction, the J55 Prime allows you to print a range of colors until you produce colors that exactly match your desired color. With the Color Swatch tool, you can produce color swatches for opaque and transparent colors. To find the Color Swatch tool, go to the upper left corner of the screen to the Apps tab. It is the bottom option. From here, you can enter the equivalent hex code to the desired Pantone color. For demonstration purposes, we will use the 2022 Pantone Color of the Year, Very Perry, which has a hex code of 6667AB. You can change the saturation, brightness, hue, and transparency as desired. You can select how you would like the swatch to be divided. You can see a preview of the various colors. I like to screen grab this for reference later. Hit Create, and GrabCAD will generate the color swatches as specified. The color information and hex value for the color you are trying to match are printed for reference on the swatch. Use the 3D printed swatch to find the color that is the closest match to the color you wish to print. Using the screen grab of the page with the color key, identify the hex value of the color and apply it to the part in Model Settings, Model Material, Color Picker. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and remember to like and subscribe.